The talkback feature of TM-981 mobile radio allows you to quickly monitor and reply to other groups without switching groups, improving communication efficiency. In this video, I'll show you how to use the talkback feature on TM-981 mobile radio. The process is broken down into 3 steps: set talkback time, monitor multiple groups, and talkback within the preset time. First, let's start with how to set the talkback time. Press encoder to enter menu. Rotate and press encoder to enter into ADV setting. Then talkback. Set the desired talkback time. Next, I'll show you how to monitor multiple groups. Rotate and press encoder to enter the choose group. Select the desired groups, then press the P1 button for monitoring. A headphone icon appears before the monitored group, indicating that monitoring is in progress. Now, when a user in the monitored group initiates a call, you can directly press the PTT button to talk back to the monitored group within the set time. The 2 radios are in different groups.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Do you copy?
Copy. Loud and clear.
Testing. Do you copy?
Copy that. Over and out.